Janan schools participate in the National Cleaning Day. Hello to everyone who is watching me on Janan TV. I am Alex Kainga and this is the Prime News. In news today, the government of Uganda via the Prime Minister, Right Honorable Robin Nabbanja, declared 25th July as Saturday as a National Cleaning Day, where public transportation would be halted from 7 to 10 a.m. to enable environmental general cleaning. Now, students of Janan Secondary School, led by their director, Mr. Mike Chironde, have participated fully in this cleaning process in and around their school. Our reporter shares more on this story.
Students in Janan Secondary School have utilized all manpower and machinery provided by their school management to engage in the general cleaning process, not only in their school but also the neighboring areas. While speaking to them, Mr. Mike Chironde, the director of Janan School, said that it is beneficial to protect the environment and that their participation in this activity would greatly teach them something in the future as far as responsibility is concerned.
When people get to know what to do, even when they grow, they will take care of themselves, they will take care of their environment and their children. So this is a very good culture. We thank very much the government which has brought this initiative.
Many students were seen holding rakes, hose, slashers and brooms while engaging in the cleaning activity that lasted for over 2 hours.
National Cleaning Day. As Janan community, we have participated in the cleaning activities. As the media team, we clean the pitch and the director's residence.
We should live in a clean environment because it helps us. Been doing general cleaning as the government says. People are not supposed to go to work today, you're supposed to clean around your area.
It has an impact because, first of all, it gives them an example on how to be in a good environment and how to clean the environment.
I would say every last Saturday of the month, every citizen in the country is going to be involved in cleaning, general cleaning. Yeah, it's quite good when we always learn to clean the places that we live in. It's very important, to keep the hygiene, to keep the sanitation, to keep the place clean.
Nasimwa, Janan Prime News, Luwelo District.
Protect the environment and protect the future. Thank you so much, Shanita, for that story. Now to you, our audience, you have been a fantastic listener and viewer from the beginning. We've come to the end of the Prime News, and let's do this again same time, same place. I am Alex Kainga. Have yourselves a lovely day. Goodbye.